1995 Dodge Stealth twin turbo walk around, pearl white over black interior. Typical stone chips present. Scuff right there, chip right there. Overall very clean Canadian spec car. Minor pitting on some of the wheels, not this one. Right here's a spot there. Straight body lines. Original glass throughout. Small rock chip. Looks like it's about to rain. Borla exhaust. No visible chips or scratches here. Fitting on this wheel. Tires are new. Michelin Pilot Sports. All seasons. This is the one wheel that's pitting more here. There's an extra wheel with the sale of the car that is refinished in chrome. All original stickers. This car was previously owned by a manager of Chrysler Corporation. Seats are in beautiful shape, minimal bolster wear, clean headliner, nice glass roof, original floor mats. 59,000 kilometers, roughly 31,000 miles. Original radio, boost gauge, visors. Cars, mint rear seats, pretty much never sat in. Walk around. Clear coat issue right here. Light. Stone chips right there. Let's go ahead and fire her up. 2 sets of keys, original window sticker. AC works, radio works. Ice cold. There's that is the brake warning sensor. Oh, that's the handbrake light. The ABS light does come on. I'm not too sure what that is. Heater, fog lights, everything illuminates. super fast. This guy. Let's go ahead and pop the engine. Show you guys the engine compartment. Car just underwent a 60,000 mile service, timing belt, and all the stuff that's included in that service. Sounds really healthy. Headlights, floodlights. Take you for a ride. Rear stove shade. You got your spare compartment, spare tools. All never used, it looks like. Nice Borla exhaust. Do a little rev video. The car's already warmed up. Factory suspension will be included for anybody that's interested.